Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 26th of March 2014 market review. On the newsletter, as you can see, the Dow, S&P 500 and the Nasdaq American markets all closed positive on Tuesday evening. The Dow closed 91 points positive on a level of 16,367 points. Let's show you out. It's actually trading just close to this red line here. That's the top resistance level. After the previous day's downward cycle, it's trading here on the top. It's still here in a confirmation. Can it break up or can it start breaking down? We need to keep a close eye on this specific movement. Today it seems to be positive so far, an early trade, but we need to closely monitor this index. That will give our markets better direction as well. Looking at Lonmin, blue line is the share price. Line A is a very important level of 49 Rand to track very closely. Historically, every time the share came to this level of 49 Rand plus minus, it bounced. Look at this, bounced. There could be expectation of this share bouncing upwards again, and the relief rally could be happening to plus minus 54 Rand. If you want to get into this trade on the 49 Rand levels, keep in mind your stop loss must be 47.20. Will it break this red line downwards, your exit line or stop loss level will be 47.20. Would it bounce about 50 Rand 65, your next high is 50.85, 51.29, 51.74, upwards to a level of 54 Rand. So let's see how this trade can play out. Group 5, there's the blue line, that's the share price, double top, talking about this two tops here. Normally it's a negative indication on the specific share. Line A will be a pricing of 42 Rand. So the expectation is, would this share break this line A on 42 Rand, currently trading at 42.64, we could actually go down to 41.82, 41.75, 41.33 to almost a level of 59 Rand. Please use your stop loss level at 42.75, just above this level here. Would it want to break up again? Please use that 42.75 as a stop loss level. So let's go and look at this indexes quickly. The top 40 shares on the JSE, as you can see, there's a bit of a downward channel here. I'm going to extend it quickly for you, and you will actually see it started to break through this line here. There's the negative channel. There is the break up, testing this 42,500 level at this moment, and it's actually trading at 42.72.1. So it's a bit high, testing the green line. The negative pattern didn't play out as yet. On the reverse, on the head and shoulder pattern, leg, shoulder, head, shoulder. So there's a breakup happening here. We could see the next high could be approximately about 43,000 to almost 43,300. Still in the positive channel. The markets are doing okay at this moment. Shares to watch very closely. Let's start with some retail shares at the short term. First share to watch, Shoprite. Doing very well in this positive movement. Still needs to break this 154 level. Currently trading at 152. If it can break the 154 level, next high could be approximately about 165. Let's track this closely. Still positive. Woolies, beautiful, still in the upward channel. Broke the 70 bucks level as expected. So the next high could be approximately about 72.58. Shares currently trading at 71.40. Trading above the purple, red and green line. This is the moving averages here of 21.89, 200. Still in very positive territory at this time. Mr. Price did come down. Broke the bottom of the resistance here. Share still trading above this green line and the red line at this time. We need to see if a pullback could happen or pull down could happen, but we could expect a bit of a positiveness in this share at current trade. Currently trading at 150.50. Next high could be about 155 in the short term. Truworths did very well the last few days. Sideways pattern happened here, broke the top of the sideways channel, going higher, testing currently the 89-day moving average. That's the red line. If it's going to break it, next high could be about 79 to 80 bucks, 81 rand. Keep a close eye on this share as well. A lot of opportunity in the retailers at this moment. Discovery is still in the sideways pattern, struggling to break 80 bucks, trading between 77.50 and almost 80 rand in the short term. Banks, BGA, beautiful, closed at 147, upward channel, broke the purple line here, the green and red line onto the moving averages of 21.89 is crossed, confirming a nice breakup happening. Next expectation of a high could be about 150 to 155 in this positive channel, but the share is still running physically upwards. Capitec brought out good results. We need to see how the market's going to react on the good results, paying a good dividend as well. Increase in business. If you can break this green line here for approximately about 187.50, you could run back to the highs of 195. Nice trade again. As you can see, every time it comes to this bottom, bounce up to the top. That is why 195 could be the next high on this specific share. Telecommunication, after ICASA announcement that came through yesterday, you can actually see the share did improve. Test this bottom of 211 in the positive channel, still upwards. I'm just going to draw it up with you. As you can see, next high could be about 216 again from the level of 214. Vodacom also reacted positive, and as you can see, almost close to the levels of 150. Next expectation is 131, 132 in this positive channel in the short term. Imperial still in the sideways, struggling to break the 170 levels. If you can break this 172.50 level, you could most probably go back to the 182 level. So keep a close eye on this specific trade as well. The last share to look at is Bidvest. Still beautiful upward channel. There's the crosses on the moving averages, confirming a nice upward trend happening here. Share seems a bit toppish at this moment, but it goes much higher than it's actually dropping in price. As you can see, it goes more up, then down, up, then down, up, then down. So we could expect a bit of a running in the specific trade in the short term. Remember, the MPC meeting is due on Thursday afternoon here at 3 o'clock. We will hear what's happening with our interest rates announcements from the South African Reserve Bank. Enjoy trading.